Moving on, the 5 permanent UN Security Council members agreed to push Taliban to form an inclusive government in Afghanistan during their meeting this week. While China and Russia have described last month's Taliban takeover as a defeat for the United States, no country has so far moved to recognize a government that includes international pariahs.
The 5 permanent UN Security Council members found common ground in a meeting this week on Afghanistan, with officials saying all the powers would press the Taliban to be more inclusive after their military takeover. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken and the foreign ministers of Britain, France and Russia met in person, while their Chinese counterpart Wang Yi joined them virtually for the talks. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres told reporters after the meeting during the annual General Assembly that Security Council powers all want a peaceful and stable Afghanistan, where rights of women are respected, that is not a sanctuary for terrorism, and where there is an inclusive government representing all sections of the population. China and Russia have described last month's Taliban takeover as a defeat for the United States, but no country has so far moved to recognize a government that includes international pariahs. Meanwhile, Amir Khan Muttaqi, the acting foreign minister of the newly formed Taliban government, said on Thursday that Afghanistan wants to have friendly relations with the international community as well as the neighboring countries. He, however, noted that exerting pressure on the country will not benefit anyone.